Noah?
My one. There's my ones. The my ones. Are they my ones? Oh. Can you give me the spotty one? Can you give me the spotty one? Good boy. This mine? Yeah, those are all yours. Those are mine. Okay.
Ooh.
Do you know Alex has been bitten by a white tail? There's a track, Mum.
Is there?
Dad, do you know Alex has been bitten by a white tail?
Really?
Yeah.
Is he okay now?
Look! Look!
Show us where it is.
Even though the white tail was poisonous.
What is it, Noah? Is it a truck?
Go outside now. It's a rubbish truck. It's okay, just go outside. It's not going to hurt you.
Okay. Rubbish truck. Can you see the rubbish truck?
Look, it's come back.
Is it a good one, Benji?
I can't see it.
You can't see it now?
Yeah.
Oh well. Where's it gone? All gone.